A Rat Inside a Cookie Pot by Jeff Kanzy. Peggy had a series of toothaches that led to her losing some teeth because she could secretly eat too many cookies. "Hey, Peggy, don't secretly eat the cookies," yelled Mom. Then she left for the market from the kitchen. I will eat cookies secretly," mumbled Peggy. Then she walked into the kitchen. Mother had put the cookie pot in the upper kitchen cabinet, but Peggy knew her way into the kitchen's cabinet. Peggy started opening one lower cabinet's door after the other as she sang her favorite song. "Cookies are yummy, they fill my tummy whenever I'm hungry. Cookies are yummy, they fill my tummy whenever I'm hungry." Peggy stood and dragged the dining chair toward the upper kitchen cabinet as she sang. "I'm coming to get you my yummy cookies," Peggy said. But when she opened the upper cabinet, the rat was in the kitchen, inside the cookie pot, in the upper kitchen cabinet. "Whoa!" she screamed and jumped from the chair to the floor. "You are scared of me, and I'm scared of you," the rat said, while Peggy stared from the floor. "What? The rat can talk!" Peggy shouted. Then she ran from the kitchen to the compound. Luckily, her mother was also entering the compound. Peggy was wriggling where she was standing. "What is the matter, my daughter?" her mother asked. She was concerned that Peggy looked frightened. The rat in the cookie pot talked like human," Peggy whimpered. "Ha ha ha, I told you not to secretly eat the cookie, you little human," said Mother. "Oh, so you know about the rat?" Peggy asked. "The rat is my tattler," said Mom. "Sorry, Mom, I will not eat cookies secretly again," Peggy apologized. "Then you will not lose your teeth again," Mom added. Then Peggy hugged her mother, and her mother wrapped her arms around her daughter. So together they formed a friendship binder. "Ha ha! Oh, my cutie baby! Ha ha! Oh, Mama!" The end. Book dance, book dance, book dance, book dance. You can read these books on your TV, phones, tablets, and computers. How cool is that? When you move your head, your eyes focus on the story and your mind comprehends. How cool is that? You can use Play-Dough, slime, mud to create the story. How cool is that? When reading is fun, you become smart. How cool is that? How cool is that? Book dance, book dance, book dance, book dance. You can read these books on your TV, phones, tablets, and computers. How cool is that? When you move your head, your eyes focus on the story and your mind comprehends. How cool is that? You can use Play-Dough, slime, mud to create the story. How cool is that? When reading is fun, you become smart. How cool is that? How cool is that?